Do you want to mention group in WhatsApp status? You can tag a group in WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mention a group in your WhatsApp status, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Update tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the camera icon or Add Status to create a status. A new screen will appear showing pictures and videos from your device. Choose a picture that you want to add by mentioning a group. On the status screen, tap the @ symbol at the bottom of the screen. A new screen appears. From here, find and select the group name that you want to tag in your status. You can select multiple groups if needed. Once selected, tap the tick button. Once done, tap the send icon at the bottom right to post your status. Now, your WhatsApp status will notify group members based on your privacy settings.